Have y'all been seeing them Fulani braids with the flip over method? Cause it's been trending for weeks now. Let's lay this hair together, family. For this hairstyle, I will be using Model pre-stretch braiding hair, body wave human hair for the boho curls, shining jam, some oil mix, Tresemme holding spray, and herbal scents mousse. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing the Fulani braids with the flip over method and the knotless at the back. Let's get into it. This might look a little ghetto because this is actually a drawstring ponytail where it used to be, okay? I'm just gonna go in with my scissors and cut the bundles off. Y'all know for every hairstyle we starting off on freshly washed and blow dry hair. 'Cause I'm still in love with you. Alright, I start off by parting my hair down the middle. I start that part right above my ear and I go all the way across to the other side. To achieve this, if you're doing it on yourself, you will need 2 mirrors just to get that part as perfect as you can. You haven't subscribed to my channel yet? Alright family, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into this parting though. It look good to be done by myself. But I've seen this hairstyle so much that I feel like I got this. So I'm about to start doing my knotless braids in the back.
Oh my God!
So now I just start my braid off. I braid 2 times, then I go in with my pieces. And I continue to add in the pieces until my braid is as thick as I want it to be. Now I'm just braiding my hair down. And that's when I begin to go in with the curly pieces. And the plan is just to assemble that curly piece in right in with how you're already braiding your hair. I use my mouth to hold that curly piece, but you don't have to. You can use your neck, your other hand, or however you want to do it. And I'm not gonna lie, some braids I'm gonna add 2 pieces, and some I just will be adding 1. Others I'll add 3. It just really depends on how I feel. Look how good that looks. Alright, I'm on my last braid in the back for the knotless. Look how they look. It looks so good. how my first row of triangles look. And once I got the triangle that I was looking for, I just went in and started braiding like a regular knotless braid. The only difference between the knotless braids in the back and this particular section of braids that I'm doing right here is the parting. If you don't want to hold the hair with your mouth or your hands, you can also use a banana clip to clip that hair up on the top of your head. Both of the methods work perfectly fine. I end up only doing 2 rows of the triangle parts. Look how good they look, y'all. Listen, doing your own hair, you build a lot of arm muscles. Look at my face. But the braids look good though. To achieve the zigzag braid that everybody do when they do the flip over, boho, Fulani braids, or tribal braid hairstyle, you'll need to part out a section that could be possibly 2 braids and then split that section into 2. Then after that, you split that section into 2 sections, and you do that to both of the sections. So basically you turn those 2 sections into 4 sections, as you can see here, and you can perfect the parting as much as you need to. Then you go ahead and clip those 2 sections. Just clip the 2 sections away from you so that you can see what you're beginning to braid. I start my braid off and I braid as usual, just like you braiding a normal braid, but instead of braiding the braid all the way down, you go ahead and cross over onto the other section. And I find that this made doing this particular braid very easy. You'll see in the end that it's going to turn out really nice and pretty. We're doing so good, y'all. I love how these braids are looking so far. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. These braids in the middle was the easiest to do. I'm about to do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna do my finishing touches. Ate for the first time doing this style on myself. He ate this style right on up.